Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix fatal error in MARVEL Tōkon fighting Souls game. So if you're getting this, the UE-MTFS game has crashed and will close fatal error, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the system requirements. Make sure your operating system is running on Windows 11. Graphics API is DirectX 12, shader model 6.0 plus is required, or else you will get DirectX error. Minimum GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB or AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT 8GB, and minimum RAM is required 16GB. So if you meet this system requirement, then you can play the game. Now here follow the fixes. Fix 1 is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to run these files from the game installation folder. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Open this folder. Then open the PC runtime folder. First double click this file and just wait. Please wait. Now press any button. Next double click this. And then last double click this PSPC SDK runtime manager. After running all these three files, now you can go ahead launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 3 is to run the easy anti-cheat EO setup file. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage, click on browse local files. Open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Open this folder, then open the EOS EAC setup folder, and here you will find easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. Just double click it to run it and then go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to delete the EOS_EAC_ setup folder and verify the integrity of game files, and then it will download the missing files and folders, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. So again go to Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage, click on browse local files. Open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Open this folder and here you will find the EOS EAC setup folder. Right click on it and then select delete. Then open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files, and just wait for the verification to get complete. And once the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to toggle memory integrity to on. So in Windows search, type Windows Security, open the Windows Security, go to device security, click on core isolation details, and here you will find the memory integrity. If it is turned off, then you have to turn it on and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC or else the changes will not get saved. And once you restart the PC, go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to try disabling a driver called WingRing0x64. It's for stopping the RGB control of anything that requires it and fan control speed, but can't recommend it if your system heavily relies on automatically adjusting its fan speed in accordance to the heat in your PC. Since if it is low chance needed for your card to function, then you are cooked. If it's any other fans, then you can follow this fix. So in Windows search, type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code and paste it over here and then hit enter. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. Now since I have not installed this WingRing0x64 file, hence it is showing the specified service does not exist as an installed services. But in your case, if it is installed, then you have to stop this service via the cmd command, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to close all MSI command center related services from the task manager. So close down all MSI command center related services from the task manager. So right click on this taskbar and then click on task manager to open the task manager. then go to the services tab, and here look for the MSI services. You can also type MSI over here and then right click on it and then select stop. It is already stopped. So you have to stop all the MSI related services from the task manager, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage, click on browse all files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this star protected game exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now here you will see the exe file, Win64 shipping exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down, select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down, select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck them, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 9. Update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download. So simply click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and then look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties. In the launch options, type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then go to properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 11 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Click on add desktop app. Go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the MTFS folder, then open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this MTFS Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list over here. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. You will see your dedicated graphic card driver over here. So select high performance. Also make sure optimization for windowed games is turned on. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 12. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the game folder. Select this start protected game exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. This time open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this MTFS Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the game folder. Then select this start protected game exe file. Click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again click on browse. Open the MTFS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this MTFS Win64 shipping exe file. Click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 13 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. The link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to install DirectX and user runtime web installer. So go to this Microsoft website. The link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, here you will see DirectX and user runtime web installer. So click on download, and then click on this dxwebsetup.exe file and install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to select high performance in NVIDIA control panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA control panel and open the NVIDIA control panel app. Then click on manage 3D settings, click on program settings, click on add, and here look for MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls. Here it is, and then click on add selected program. Now if you don't see MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls over here, then click on browse, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open the game folder, that is MTFS, then open the MTFS folder again, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this MTFS Steam Win64 shipping exe file, and then click on open. And after adding it, from the drop down here, select high performance NVIDIA processor, and then hit on apply button to save the changes. Don't forget to hit on apply button, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 16 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open the device manager, then expand the display adapters, and here you will find the integrated graphic card driver. Just right click on it and then select disable device and click yes to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and don't forget to enable the integrated graphic card driver. Fix 17 is to increase the virtual memory. So in Windows search, type view advanced system settings and open the view advanced system settings. Then go to the advanced tab, then under performance click on settings, go to advanced tab and then click on change. Now untick automatically manage paging file size for all drives and select the custom size. Now if your PC installed RAM is 16 GB, then enter the value as follows. In initial size, in MB you have to enter 24576, and in maximum size MB you have to enter 49152. So first you have to check the what is your PC installed RAM. Open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, click on about, and here you can see installed RAM is 16 GB. So if your installed RAM is 16 GB, then enter here 24576, and in maximum size in MB type 49152, and then click on set and then click on OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if your PC installed RAM is 32 GB, then in the initial size type 49152 and in maximum size type 98304. So in initial size type 49152 and in maximum size type 98304, and then again click on set, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then check mark this option automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then click on OK, and that's it. Fix 18 is to turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings, expand the advanced graphic settings, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off if it is turned on, and then just restart your PC, because you will need to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So just restart your PC and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if it is already turned off, then turn it on and then again restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 19, set power saver in power options, try different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Click on hardware and sound, click on power option. Now in my PC it is only showing balanced, but in your PC if it is showing balanced, power saver, high performance, then first select power saver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also select high performance and then launch the game and check. So basically you can switch between these three options and check which one work for you. Fix 20 is to lower down graphic settings if able to launch the game. So if you're able to launch the game, then go to the graphic settings tab, set the display mode to window, turn off motion blur, vertical sync, turn it on, anti-aliasing type set to DLSS performance, scaling resolution set to 50 and set the graphics quality to medium quality, or you can also select low quality and then click on confirm and then you can go ahead, play the game and check. Fix 21 is to disable overlays. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, right click on the game, click on properties and in the general tab you will see the enable the Steam overlay while in game option. Just toggle it off. Then disable Discord overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. So open NVIDIA app, go to settings, disable NVIDIA overlay over here. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 22 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 23 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then finally you have to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve fatal error in MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls game. So you can easily fix the UE-MTFS game has crashed and will close fatal error in MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.